Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bill Muhyiddin. I'm from 9th grade and now I want to tell you how to make Find My Age application on Codular. Okay, so for the first, you can go to Codular website and you can click create project. You can give a name is Find My Age, but because I have used this name, I will add one number and can click next. And for the application name is Find My Age, and for the package name is com dot your name. My name is Bilal, so com dot Bilal and dot your application name, that is Find My Age. Okay, so for the primary color, let me check it first. Okay, so for the primary color is 4F9 B9 4 double F. Okay, let me copy it first, and you can paste it in here. And after that, you can click set. Oh, sorry, that is for the primary color dark. Let's change it first. Okay, so for the primary color is 8D triple C for double F. Okay, so you can copy it and paste it on primary color. Okay, so for the last is accent color. It is B2 triple F 7 and double F. You can copy. Okay, you can click set. Okay, so after you configure your project, you can click finish. Wait. Okay, so let's we see first in here. So for the first, on the title bar, you can change. You can turn it off. The option menu, this one, show option menu. You can turn it off. And for the title is the application name. That is Find My Age. And now in here, there's a space and continued by a text box. Okay, so for the space, the height is 5% and the width is fill parents. And for the text box, for the height is 5%, for the width is 80%. 80%. And for the hint is input the year of birth, and for the hint color is triple 9A and double F. Okay, let's edit. For the birth is space. For the width is field parents, and for the height is 5%. And continue by text box. Oh yeah, you can go to your screen one, and for the align horizontal, you can change it to be in the center. And for the text box, the height is 5% and the width is 80%. And for the hint is input the input sorry input the year of birth. Input the year of birth. And for the hint color is triple 9E and double FF. Okay, you can click set, and yeah, and then you can duplicate the space and change it the height to be 3%. And there is a button for submit the year, and for the background color is 80 CBC4FF, and for the height is 5% and the width is 80%, and for the text is calculate age. Okay, so let's change it. Let's edit. For the first, you can duplicate the space, put it on under the text box, and change the height to be 30%, and take a button and put it under the space, and for the height is 5% and the width is 80%. Okay, so now for the text is calculate age, and for the background color is, wait, what is it? 80 CBC4 F double F. Okay, let's change it. 80 CBC4 double F and set, and yeah, that's it. And now you can add space one more time, and the height is 30%, same as like the second space, and add an image, an image, and yeah, that's it. And upload your assets later, and there's a clock and notifier. Okay, so let's add the other widget. So for the first is space, and next is image, and now you can upload your assets like teenager teenager like a teenager poster, teenage child, and adult poster, or an like an illustration, and the last is adult, and yeah, okay. But you do not change the picture, just make it none. And now you can go to media. Wait, okay, just search in here. It is notifier, and I think in here, you can go to your sensor, and where's clock? This it. This is okay. So for the UI, that's it. And now we can go to the blocks. Let's see in here. Okay, so now first we can make a variable and continued by the other code. Okay, so let's make the variable first. First, you can go to variable and add initialize global name, and for the name text you can change to be h, and you can go to the math and add 0 and put it on the right of the variable. And now you can go to when you can add when button calculate edge click, uh, button calculate edge, that is the button one. We can go to here when button one click, set global edge, call clock one your instant, call clock one now, minus by the text box. Okay, so let's take it. For the first is set change to global edge, and now we can go to the math and can add minus, and now we can go to the clock and where is it, where, wait, I cannot find it. Wait, call your call a clock yours instead. Where is this? Okay, you can put it on the force, and now we can go to clock one more time. Wait, what? Wait, we can go to the clock, and you can scroll down and you can add clock, call clock one now. This is this code is for set the time of this year. Like this year is 2025, so later I will explain it to you. For now, let's make the code first, and now you can go to your text box and add text box one, and for this one change it to be text. Okay, so this code is for like calculate your age by this year minus by your birth year. So and the result put on the age variable, and yeah, that's it. And now let's add like a notifier. Now we can go to control, and you can add if then, and you can click this setting button and add else like this one. Okay, so for make it quick you can just duplicate this code, but oh yeah, sorry, we will use this one, but for the minus we don't need it because we need this code and change it to be more than if uh wait, if you input the text box is more than this year, like you put the year is 2030, 20 and 30, but now is 2025, so there will be a notifier that um, give you a text that is you weren't born yet. Okay, so in here there is colon notifier show alert notice, and there's a text you weren't born yet. Okay, you can go to notifier, can scroll down, and where is wait, and you can add show alert notice, and you can go to the text and add this blank code, and for the text is you weren't born yet. You can copy it in here. Okay, so next let's we make this code is for like set you uh, wait, let's make the code first. I will tell you the function of this code after we make the code. Okay, so now you can go to your control and check if then, and you can add else if two time. And now uh, you can go to the math and take this code and change it to be more than, and you can duplicate this checkbox code, and you can go to the math and take this zero code and change it to be 18, because in here uh, uh, you can search in your Google the age of an adult. In here the Google result is eight, more than 18 is an adult, and between 18 and 10 is a teenager, and under 10 is set and a child. Okay, so for this one is for the adult. So eh sorry, but we don't need this text box code, but we need this variable code. Get and change this to your variable, and then you can set image. Wait, you can go to image, and you can add this code, set image 1 to adult. Okay, so let's make it quick. You can duplicate this code and change it to be uh, lower than 10, and you can duplicate this code and change this png to be child png. And now in here, oh yeah, don't forget, you can go to logic and add this code and code. You can add in here if this is for the teenager. Wait, if for the teenager is between 10 and 18, and you can duplicate this code and change it to be teenager. And for the last is for the text box hide keyboard. Wait, text box, this one, this code. Nah, okay, so for the final code is like this, and I will explain to you this code. So for the first if is to set you as an adult if your age is more than 18, and same as like this child, this code will set you as a child if you are under 10, if your age under 10, and this code is for this teenager code is to set you as will set you as an teenager if you are between 10 and between 18, and this for hide your keyboard after you input the year of your birth. Okay, so maybe that's it for the code. And yeah, that's it for this project. Thank you very much for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.